Now, this is how we can paste a photo on the top of another photo on the iPhone. So this is not going to be possible through the built-in methods, and that's why we need to head over to the App Store and get a third-party photo editor. There are more options which you can pick from, but I'm going to use this one called iPic. It is a free version or a free app with some additional paid features, but we're not going to need them. So you can just grab the app, download it, and then you can just start using it by allowing access to your photos. And then you can choose at first the background image where we're going to paste another one on top of it. So at first we pick the background. We can perform some edits, but on this panel at the bottom, we pick stickers. Then click on import image and choose whichever part of the image you want to paste on top of it. Right, so you might be something with a clear subject and you just choose that, and then you have some selections tools. So you can choose the quick selection where you just manually try to select it, then the device tries to guess the edges of that object. That's pretty useful, but you can also use other methods to just cut out that picture specifically. So that's how you can do that. And once you just confirm it and click on the check button, you can place that image on top of another one. And not only that, but you can resize it, move it to a different place, rotate it, and you can perform some other edits afterwards. But obviously, it is up to you. So this is how you can technically just paste one image or parts of that image on top of another one using the iPhone. When you're done, just tap on the download button in the top right corner and you just save it to the gallery as just one joined image. So let me know below in the comments if it worked for you. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more videos like this one in the future. See you guys then.